dear Scotty. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish and blow 'em out, buddy.
Okay.
Go for it.
Closer.
Go closer.
Like you're blowing bubbles, babe. Go.
Blow. Blow hard.
Hot?
Blow hard.
Oh, almost. Get closer. No.
What happened?
Is it gonna melt? Hurry.
Blow. Blow. Get closer. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Good job, buddy. Yay. Whose birthday is it? Oh, Orange.
It's Orange's. Orange's birthday.
How old are you, Scott? Scott,
Wait, will I make that hot? Okay, thank you. Very good.
how old are you, Scott? Scotty, look at mommy. More sing. Should we sing again? Okay, ready, set, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Scotty. Happy birthday to you. Scott, how old are you today? No, don't eat the match. How old are you today? Scott.
Scott now, Kaka.
Yeah.
Are you 3?
Are you 2 or 3?
What?
He's trying to say Scott.
Scott, are you 3?
Go like this, Scott. Do that. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Scott, are you 36 months?
All right.
Who's your